wig where you need to just kind of like, you know, get it right and tight. Hey y'all, welcome back to Vanna Reels, and I have another wig. I guess you could say unboxing, because I don't really want to install this fully, but I have, can I get a drum roll please? Baby, I have two Butte Laces with me. Now y'all know I reviewed Butte Lace Unit 3 I think it was about a year ago. I did that review, and if you want to check that out, go ahead and first of all hit that subscribe button, because you know you're gonna come back. But check out Unit 3 as well, because that, let me tell y'all, that lace, baby, that lace, woo, that lace is good. But we are going to unbox the Butte Lace. This is Unit 21. It comes just like the regular, you know, the regular Butte Lace packaging, same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. This one I purchased in two different colors. I purchased it in the, I probably am gonna pronounce this wrong, but the Beige, I'm butchering it so bad, but I bought it in the Beige chocolate, and then I also bought it in the color 2 because I just need another like just regular brown wig, because I don't really wear black wigs too much. If I do, I have them, but I usually buy 2 or 4, and mostly 2. So I bought them in 2 colors, just like a fun color, and then have like a regular everyday color just to like wear when I don't feel like wearing color, like hair. So what really stuck out to me in this wig was it reminds me of this other wig I have. I think it's called like the Valerie or something. I don't know, but that wig was like centuries old, and this just reminded me of that. This one's just a lot longer. So, you know, when you initially take it out, it's in here attached. Look at that color. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of take that off. Make sure you get the whole thing off. But yes, this is how the wig comes. This color is absolutely gorgeous. I want y'all to see this color like as best as I can show it. But I really want y'all to see this color. This color is absolutely amazing. It comes with your normal stock card to show you. I just want to hold it up so you can see it. And then it comes with the colors on the back. The colors I purchased is this second color right here. And then I also, oh, they don't have my other color on here, but this is the color of it. So if you are interested in this color, I will link it down below. I purchased these from Hair to Beauty. They were having a extra 40% off sale. So I think this one might have been like $36, and then the color 2 I think was like either $34 or $33. I can't really remember, but my purchase was like $60 and then shipping. But yeah, I pretty much got these for a really good deal, because originally on their site I think these things were going between $60 a piece or so. So definitely a good steal for the Butte Lace. And y'all just look at that. Like this bounce, baby, for a synthetic. Let me show y'all this lace. Let's go ahead and take this off. Let me take all this off. It comes with your regular lace here. Regular lace, ear to ear. A great amount of parting space. Let me put my fist on it so you can see it. But yeah, enough amount of parting space. If you want to pluck, you can pluck. It's up to you. Probably the most for an install I would probably do on this is probably like run the hot comb or my curl wand down on this, just to kind of flatten this top out, because it seems like it is a bit humpy. And then on the inside, you have the 2 combs in the front, here to here. I don't utilize those. You have the band in the back, the typical traditional band. You can size it. It has a comb in the back. I don't utilize combs. They just don't really serve any purpose for me, really. So this is the wig outside of the net. Only thing I will say is I feel like this blend is a little harsh, where it goes from, I don't know, like it just feels, ooh, Not my shirt showing under my tank top. But yeah, I don't know if I really like the transition on this. I feel like the transition could have been done a little better, but I would have to see what it looks like on my head. But this is overall, like, as far as like curl and execution of lace, I just can't wait to see this on my head to see how it looks. I'm probably not going to cut the lace on camera, but I would like to put it on for you guys to show you. So I'll probably put this one on, but I want to show you the color 2 one first, just so you can see what that one looks like. So just like the other color I purchased, this one comes in the same boxing. Just take that netting off. I will say this does have a little bit of the more like synthetic luster to it, but I feel like once you kind of like start to like do your install or whatever, you can get around that. But this is what the color 2 looks like. So this is like a good everyday wig, I must say. Like, as far as the color 2, that's why I like buying these colors. This one looks the most, this is very shiny, I must say. Like, as far as the other butter lace I have, this one can be a bit shiny. It feels shiny. Like, I'm gonna have to turn that luster down a little bit, but overall, I don't think it's bad though. Like, once you kind of doctor it up and fix it on your install, again, the same construction. Here's the inside of this one. Here's your parting space. If you can see it, same parting space, same thing. I would just say the luster on this one is a bit more, I don't know, maybe it's just the glare from the ring light. That could be why that color was looking a little different for me. But I'm going to go ahead and put the other color one on. But yes, this is in the color 2. And I'm going to go ahead and put the other color one on, because I don't want the chocolate one. I'm going to put that on my head. And I want to come back and show y'all how that looks. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And this one I'm not going to put on my head because I feel like we all know what color 2 looks like. Unless y'all really want to see it on my head, I'll put both on my head. But first and foremost, I got to put the other one on my head and make sure I actually like it. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. Now, you might see my wig cap rolling underneath here, but just for purposes of the video, I just wanted to make sure I put it on my head. And first initial thoughts of me putting this on, no manipulations. You can definitely tell how like humpy the roots are. So you definitely will want to go in and just kind of flatten those roots out. And then I would probably say, I would probably brush out these curls because they're kind of like, they don't have the like the effect that they need. Like, maybe if I, so this is why it might be useful to have another monitor while I'm doing this. But y'all see how this curl like just falls? I will say I like how it falls. The curls are very loose, but still offering some sort of body. I must say though, this hair is not, I like that this is not like a whole bunch of hair. So it does get very flat and light. It feels like it needs a little more body in it, but kind of if you kind of wouldn't want that. So that's the only thing I would say. I probably would want a little more body in this. But as far as like just offering like a little nice little fall look, and you just want it to look like you want that color to show, I think overall that's pretty decent. Like, this color is pretty good, but I would say I would want to play with these curls a bit because they're kind of like, they're kind of stiff. I don't know if I'm explaining correctly what I want out of this wig to happen, but it definitely needs to be manipulated. Like, you kind of need to like run your fingers through it, kind of like loosen up that curl so it don't look so like it falls better. Like, kind of like, you want kind of like that feather wrap, look, where it's like, yeah. Okay. I feel like the more you probably manipulate this, it'll look a lot better. But it's very thin, I must say. Like, when you put this on, it's very light and thin. It doesn't feel like there's much density going on here. I mean, it is a synthetic wig, but I feel like it's so flat. Like, I feel like it's so flat. Like, I feel like I want some more curls in this. I don't know. I think I just need to like play with it and manipulate it. No shedding as of yet, but I'm pretty sure once I go through, it feels like there's some tangling in the back here as I'm running my fingers through it. So I feel like after a while, this will probably get a little annoying, but it's a long synthetic wig. So that's normal, you know, wear and tear on them. But I feel like for like a nice little everyday wig, this is not bad. Or if you just kind of like, you know, you're not ready to get like a sew-in. I feel like this reminds me of like a sew-in as far as like the curls, the way they dropped. Like we used to get them sew-ins back in like 2008. It kind of reminds me of that. And you just have like that loose curl. And it's just like, huh, I don't mind what people say to me. You are the only one. I will stay true only for you. Only for you. Players, they gon' play. And haters, they gonna hate. Say what? Okay. I was channeling my 3LW days. Okay. I'm probably showing my age talking about 3LW, but if you know, you know. But yes, this is the chocolate color. I'm not going to keep pronouncing the first word because I'm going to keep butchering it. But I will put the color code in the description box. But yeah, I feel like this is a very gorgeous color. Let me try to show y'all what the back looks like. So I want to show y'all what it looks like if you just like push it back. This is kind of what you're getting. Just to show you the back. And I don't know, it just seems kind of flat to me. Like, I don't know. I got my shirt showing. You know, I have on like a tank top under here because I didn't want to wear it on the video, so I still kept it on, but that thing is just showing and driving me nuts. But yeah, this definitely needs to be manipulated. Out the box though, it's not hard, but I feel like the best thing for me is probably this front area, but I feel like you kind of have to shape this to your face almost. Like I'm gonna have to play with this to kind of get in the groove of it. But the curls are nice though, I must say. It's not bad. Here I go, showing that shirt again. But yes, this is me unboxing it. I don't think I really need to show y'all what the color 2 looks like. But overall, I feel like this is a 50-50 wig for me. I'm gonna have to see. It's a 50-50 for me. I will say if you are willing to purchase this wig, you need to be open to having to manipulate it a bit and kind of play with it to get it where you need it. Because it's not like with the Unit 3, you could just kind of like flatten the top out on that one and maybe do the baby hairs if you want, and that thing was good to go. Like you didn't really have to do too much. But I feel like with this one, I don't know what it is. It could just be me being picky, but I just feel like it needs something. Like something's missing here that I'm like, I need to manipulate it. But fresh out the box, color is absolutely gorgeous, but I need these curls to fall a lot better. I don't know, I don't love how they're falling. Or I feel like if I do wear this out, it could potentially fall like even further than what it is. I don't know. But the texture is kind of like, I'm trying to figure out how to explain the texture. It's very fine. Like it's very fine, but I know like once you start getting outside elements in this hair, you see how it kind of has that bounce? I feel like eventually it will kind of like get thick and not really have that bounce. But it just looks like it's falling like from moisture or something. I don't know. I think Unit 3 might be my favorite still out of the Butte Lace. But that's why we try them out. I'm here to let y'all know honestly like what I think about it. But yeah, straight out the box, color is not bad. It's probably my favorite attribute about the wig. But overall, I don't know what I would give this yet. I really am going to have to play with this and like take pictures in it and see how I look. Because I don't know yet. I don't know. But yes, Thank you guys for tuning in for another video. I tried to make this as quick as possible, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.